Dear everyone, please I have this final appeal for fund for this family. Kindly listen to the reason and oblige.
The last money they got, I decided to leave it for them to do whatever they like with it. They want to go and use it to buy land. And every time we need to go to court, we do one sorry. Even the mother was telling me that they making go and I said no. The woman was pleading that I should take the money for them and keep it. I said no. It's your money, it's not for me. But they went to use the money to go and buy land. I'm sure it is waterlogged now that rain has started. And they have run out of funds. We need money for lawyer in court. We need money for different things. They don't have. Even to feed at home, they don't have money. Because they use the money they got to go and buy land that is useless to them right now. I know that in future that land will be useful to them again and that property. But what I want us to do right now is I just want to achieve three things in one. Three in one. There was a girl, if you remember the day we did the first video showing how the woman was praying on the floor was Mubarak's sister. Ọlọ́pàá náà yìnbọn pa ọmọ wọn ẹ wo. Ṣe jẹ́ sí ẹ. Àbúrò mi. Ọ̀dọ́rábìnrin yóò nojú ojú kò nojú tó fi rí kò nojú tó jẹ́ fi rí. Let me tell you what happened to Lateefat. Come on, sit down here. Wọ́n máa fi sí fúnra rẹ̀. Wàá tẹ̀ báyìí. Wàá wá fi sí. Lateefat is now pregnant. The mother just had a set of twins and the children are still very young, and suddenly they are telling us she's pregnant. Ó ṣáà ti parí secondary school?
Yeah,
Ó ṣe WAEC?
exactly.
So you can speak English?
Yeah.
Okay,
6 months.
6 months. You are pregnant for who?
Masha Sunday. One
Okay.
brother come and meet me, but I don't know him. So my friend asked her, he knows him very well. So that she told me that he should come and meet me himself. And I said no problem. So after going to tell you everything, I didn't even know that
You met him at the hotel.
yes.
Did your parents know about it?
No,
Why? Why didn't you tell them?
I was scared.
You were scared, but you were not scared to meet him at the hotel. Before you met him, have you gone to a hotel before?
No,
So why did you meet him at a hotel?
he started sleeping with me.
Sleeping with you by force? You accepted. Why did you accept? Do you have any prior knowledge about something called sex education? No prior knowledge. You are already 6 months pregnant. Before you allowed sex at all, how long were you dating before you allowed sex?
That been taste.
That's mean
Taste.
you don't take. Take like how many? How take? How take was the take?
Like 3 months.
Your parents told me that he doesn't want to take responsibility.
Yes.
Why?
No, I called him yesterday on phone because I went to church. So when I come back, there's one boy that always help my mom to sell marketing shop. So when I asked the brother, as Masha gone, I said that he has gone home, but when I asked him, did he give you any money to give me? He said no. And
Was Marshall sending that boy to you before?
he always give him money sometimes.
To give you?
Give me sometimes
Like how much?
1,000.
1,000. Income. I hate to do this kind of income, but somehow I don't know what to do. I'm like the same family. We have 3 stories already. The first one, Bvry Mubarak, ọmọ yẹn ṣì wà ní mọ́ọ̀gá ṣì ń jà pẹ̀lú ìjọba. We are still fighting the government. Police they abandon the family. They refuse to take responsibility. Next, we thank God, they have twins now. Sure, they have set of twins. And while we are still fighting government, pé Mubarak tó wà níbi tó wà yẹn, try to do what you are supposed to do. Till now, the police doesn't want to say shima about it. They are avoiding everything. And now, this one, Lateef. Oh yeah, daddy twins. Ẹ kú oríire àbí? Ṣebí tí máa kí náà nìyẹn. Ẹ kú oríire ni now.
So I decided to call the young man Marshall Sunday.
Yeah, like 3 appointments at antenatal she has missed.
She has used like 3 times now.
Yeah, that's what she's reporting to me right now. I'm beside her right now.
She has not missed 3 times.
Yeah. Say because she doesn't have
The only one she missed was the last one with the other.
okay. Okay, so it's not as if you are not taking responsibility.
It's not that I wish I can come and I wish I can come and
Where is your location?
So I eventually had to go and find him that night, and in our conversation, he mentioned that he's just broke.
Even for me to come out with like as I'm telling you, I did not even have a dime with me.
Is it true that you have a wife at home already?
Yes. Yes.
So why did you decide to be going out with a young girl?
Well, for that one is a mistake that has happened.
Okay.
It's a mistake that has happened. Me and she did not plan.
They gave them a list from the hospital and they have not been able to purchase the things. How do you intend to make up for that?
The need of the hospital, I know it's my responsibility to take. But they are saying I'm not doing. See, when they are talking, it's as if I'm not doing anything at all. That's what is getting me angry. No fun with me. I told her if you see any means that you can use to go, borrow me. Because sometimes you said if you have borrow me.
At the end of our conversation, I decided I will arrange a counseling session for them. Please, I have this final appeal for fund for this family. Kindly listen to the reason and oblige.
The last money they got, I decided to leave it for them to do whatever they like with it. They want to go and use it to buy land. And every time we need to go to court, we do money something. Even the mother was telling me that they can go in, and I said no. The woman was pleading that I should take the money for them and keep it. I said no. It's your money. It's not for me. But they went to use the money to go and buy land, and they have run out of funds. We need money for lawyer in court. We need money for different things. They don't have. Even to feed at home, they don't have money because they use the money they got to go and buy land that is useless to them right now. I know that in future that land will be useful to them again and that property. But what I want us to do right now is I just want to achieve 3 things in one, and I'll close this case. Number 1, help this girl get a small business. Number 2, help the father to start his keke, installment payment. Keke hire an installment till he finish paying by himself and he owns it. And number 3, and which is the most important to me, we want to go and retrieve Mubarak's body. It is 3 years now and I'm not happy. Retrieve the body because we already know Nigeria government is useless. Nigeria police is irresponsible. Let's just go and retrieve the body, go and bury it. And then the matter can continue in court. That's what I want. So the account you are seeing on your screen, please use it. I will be publishing every week how much we collect. And I'll be deciding by myself at this point. The one I allowed them to use their discretion before wasted. So I won't allow it to happen again. So I will be the one to collect it by myself now. And I'll be publishing every week how much we have collected so far until we wrap up this case. And I'm hoping that next few weeks we should wrap up. I don't want this matter to stay any longer than it has stayed. But boy, and I'm not happy. Lati, I'm not happy with you. More situation táwọn parents ẹ wà, you know the situation the parents are in. Ṣebí wà tí mọ́mí ẹ close. Even if you meet somebody and you like the person, ṣebí you tell your mother. Your mother will advise you. O dẹ̀ lóyún for 3 months. Your mother that you are sleeping together in the house did not even know. Even if you are not that close to your dad, you are close to your mom. O dẹ̀ mọ situation tó wà. Tí ó bá jẹ́ tó mọ tó wà nú ẹ̀ tí mò ń rò pé kéèyàn má dijú tán. You understand? How can you do that kind of thing? O mọ situation tó wà náà. Wọ́n ní kán gbẹ́rù ọmọ wa, they don't have anything to do and present. And it's already 6 months. In another 2-3 months now, ó máa due. Láyé tó yẹ pé àwọn doctor tiẹ̀ lazy, wọn ti fẹ́ ṣe, wọn fẹ́ kí anybody, especially first time, wọn fẹ́ kán rọbí normal mọ́. Wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ gé ni, àwọn fẹ́ ṣe CS. Láyé tá wà ń sìn, ó dà pé ọmọ tó ń lọ ń tà. Gbogbo àwọn doctor tó serious kúrò ń lù náà, wọ́n ti jápa wọn sí Nàìjíríà. Àwọn doctor tó kù díẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ní luck bíntín ló kù tó sì lè sọ pé ó yẹ kọ́mọ yẹn lè dọmọ yẹn bí bíntín ló kù nù wá lọ tẹ́bù lẹ̀ fún. So please everybody use the information on your screen and I want to close this matter. Like I'm tired, like really tired.